Lord, what do you want? What are you telling me? What is God telling us? May sinasabi si God. Be ready to open your eyes and your mind and your heart. God speaks. Whenever God speaks, watch out. Magpantay ka. Kasi taken for granted, yung tawag niya. Tignan mo si Father Jason. At the age of 37, kausap ko lang, oh. Eh yun pala, angioplasty pala siya. 2 months ago. Pareho kami, oh. Kaya, ayoko na magpa-basketball. Malalak ako. Mag-body down. Oy, tignan mo. Uy, ang ganda ng message, ha. Watch out. Second W, ano yun? Wrap up. Wrap up. What do you mean by wrap up? Wrap up means go back to what is important. Go back to what is essential. Go back to what is